Colors. They fascinated us ever since we were kids. Colors fuel our individuality. They can stimulate our appetites or our desires. Their presence inspires debate or even laughter. Always there when you least expect them. Colors drape the infinitely large and give life to the infinitely small. So why have they deserted our roads, our cities, our lives? At Citroën, we believe that color brings life to your lives. And that everyone has a right to it. That's why we created new Citroën C3.
You're gonna cross the city.
With 97 customization combinations. And besides adding a dash of color to your life, new Citroën C3 also offers more comfort, making you feel right at home. Additional driving aids for improved safety, and more connectivity to make your life that much easier. With a mirror screen,
good track,
and the connected cam Citroën. New Citroën C3, because life is more beautiful in color.
Citroën.